Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys are returning, welcome back. Today's gonna be a super awesome video. We're here at the Petrol Lounge, which is a place where they store a bunch of like crazy, awesome, insane, rare cars, especially for people who just need somewhere to put them. There's gonna be a lot of awesome cars here. There's already a bunch pulling in right now. I'm a little early. There's gonna be a lot of great cars already, like a 911 Turbo S sitting right here. There's also another Porsche sitting here behind me. Let's go ahead and start checking out the cars. Alright guys, so we are in the Petrol Lounge right here, and as you can see right here, there's a Formula One car. It's a Ferrari. This is an actual Michael Schumacher Ferrari, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And right next to it, we got a Ferrari Enzo, which is insane. Like, you never see these. Like, this whole collection is full of a ton of awesome cars that you never see. Like these crazy Ford GTs. You got this crazy awesome race car one. Got a whole bunch of other ones. You got a Golf livery. But yeah, this collection is absolutely insane. There's a lot of stuff here. They're kind of roped off, so I can't show you exactly everything in here, but I can show you guys a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we got a Radical sitting right here. It's just out of sight behind this car, but that thing looks absolutely insane. But as you look back, there's all kinds of crazy cars. There's like a yellow AMG GT back there, a lot of other just insane cars. But yeah, what is your guys' favorite car? Let me know. Got this Aventador SVJ, got a Urus back there, got another Aventador further back, got some Huracans, got an STO, like all these Ferraris, the 600 LT, and this beautiful, almost a Tiffany blue, little different, but beautiful white wheels as well. Got all these crazy Ferraris, especially the Enzo and the Formula One Michael Schumacher car. But yeah, this lineup is insane, especially the Ford GTs, like mind-blowing. But Carrera GT, these things are super rare. Like, you pretty much never see these anywhere. Got the Mercedes SLR McLaren. It's always awesome seeing these, but gosh, look, there's 4 GTs all back there. This whole area is just completely full. Got actual like Le Mans race car. Like, gosh, like this collection is absolutely insane. It's so hard to describe everything here. It's just mind blowing. Like, it doesn't even feel real. But yeah. So they also have like the TV series Batmobile parked over here, so we're gonna go check that out. This thing is insane. Like, it looks so weird seeing it in person. Like, all the Batmobiles are wild, but this one I think is like one of the most iconic. Alright guys, so we did just come right back outside. Got a Lexus LC500 parked right here, right next to a Corvette C8 R Edition. Got a bunch of other crazy awesome cars lined up out here, so we're definitely gonna go check some of these out because there's a lot of awesome cars, a lot of awesome people. Alright guys, so once I was inside, a lot of cars showed up, including a Lexus LFA, so we're gonna go check that out. I also got a very beautiful blue McLaren 600 LT, but an LFA, like there's one of 500 in the world sitting right here in front of me, parked right next to my Lexus. How fitting. But let's go ahead and check it out. Also parked over here, we're gonna go check it out, is a beautiful blue. It's a Porsche 992 GT3. So this is the first time I've actually seen one of these in person, but this is like the perfect color, I would say, for it. But yeah, let me show you guys. Alright guys, so it is getting a little bit dark. A lot of these cars are leaving. There are still cars pulling in, like a green Huracan just pulled up. But yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely get on, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, because there's a lot more content to come. So this event right here at the Petrol Lounge already had some crazy awesome cars, and even just like the spectators coming, supporting its toy drives. So we even had a Lexus LFA show up, one of 500 in the world, so it's super awesome. See that out here, a couple Tesla Roadsters. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.